Well, thousands of students in Illinois could be cut off from their learning. They have until October 15th to get their immunizations and physical exams up to date. Fox News' Jeff Bernthal is live in Cahokia tonight, where district leaders say hundreds of students are in jeopardy of being left out. Jeff.
And Jasmine, it is not just here in Cahokia. School districts across the state trying to alert parents about this deadline. Even though so many students are learning remotely, we're told that deadline still applies to them, the deadline October 15th. It's been a school year unlike any other, and COVID concerns kept some families from visiting the doctor. In thousands of cases across the state of Illinois, student immunizations and physical exam records are not up to date. If those records are not up to date by October 15th, students learning in person or remotely will be excluded from learning, according to a state mandate.
It's a critical time, and our State Board of Education, there is no waiver on these exclusion date. So we must have these things taken care of.
The Cahokia superintendent tells us District 187 currently needs up-to-date records for some 800 students.
It's quite a bit. That's almost, if you think about it, a little less than a third of our population.
If students still need an appointment, they can show proof they have a pending appointment to meet the deadline requirement and then update their records after the visit. The Collinsville School District sent notices to parents at the start of the school year and occasional reminders, including this social media post shared Thursday. The district tells us, quote, "The requirement is Illinois state law. We are expecting students to comply as stated unless we are told otherwise by the Illinois Department of Public Health or Illinois State Board of Education." The Cahokia district plans on hosting a health fair before students return to class to help families. The superintendent says some parents have struggled to find a way to get those immunizations. The Cahokia School District also holding an informational session on Saturday. At that time, they're going to talk about transitioning to back to in-person learning down the road, but they're going to use that as an opportunity to educate parents as well about this deadline. One other note, there are situations where students can be exempt. We'll have a link with more information that you can see with the Fox 2 app. Reporting live from Cahokia, Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.